Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Turf Therapy. This is the Battle of the Stripes episode. So, a few videos ago, I called out my girl PJ from GirLzLawn, my homeboy Cam from Elevated Lawnscapes, and the number one person I'm going after is Polo from Polo Field's Lawn Service. So I threw the white glove at them, and I also opened it up for the entire community. But they're the only ones that bit. So, this is what we got. I'm about to mow this front plot up along with the side plot up to get my entry in. So without further ado, let the battle begin. Marco!
Polo!
Them blades ain't gonna save you, bruh. Marco!
Polo!
Ain't no amount of water gonna save you, bruh. Marco. Yeah, bruh, just put the trimmer up, cause you done. It's that white glove special for y'all. This is the side plot, and here we have the front lot. We keeping the class with the side-by-side diagonals, so there you have it. Who's team turf? I can't hear you. Who's team turf? There we go, there we go. So that pretty much wraps up my entry to the Battle of the Stripes. There's only one thing left to do, passing it on to the next running contestant. And PJ, I know it's hot out there, so drink up, stay hydrated. Peace.